HP ProBook 450G8. HP ProBook 450G8 Notebook PC. 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, i7-1165G7. 8GB DDR4 3200 SD RAM. Maximum 32GB DDR4-3200 SDRAM, 2x16GB. Primary M2 solid-state drive storage 512GB PCIe NVMe M2 TLC solid-state drive. HP Smart 65W external AC power adapter. A new design that fits modern work styles. The compact, light, slim chassis with aluminum components is easy to carry from place to place. Enjoy an over 87% screen-to-body ratio and a quiet, responsive keyboard. Power that lasts. Equipped with the latest Intel Processor 6 and high-performance memory, the HP ProBook 450 drives performance with long battery life and high-speed solid-state drives. On the left side of the device, there is a security slot, an RJ45 connector, and a USB Type-A 3.2, General 1, port. Switch sides, and you'll see the charging plug, a USB Type-C 3.2, General 2, port with power delivery and DisplayPort 1.4 capabilities. 2 USB Type-A 3.2, General 1, ports, an HDMI 1.4B connector, an audio jack, and a micro SD card reader. Two integrated stereo speakers, 2 with 4 ohm per speaker. Preserve your privacy. Never wonder if someone is watching you with the added peace of mind that comes from the integrated HP privacy camera, with a physical shutter to protect from malicious surveillance.